everyone, this is Gurpreet. Are you looking for an electric pressure cooker that is safe, efficient and easy to use? Look no further than the Wellspire Instant Pot. This 3-liter electric pressure cooker is made with premium quality material and is tested and approved by the BIS Department of India. It is 10 times safer than your traditional cooker and comes with easy, customized Indian recipes for fast and easy cooking. The inner cooking pot is made with the highest food grade 304 stainless steel material, so you can be sure that you are cooking healthy food. It also has multiple functions such as pressure cooking, sauteing, steaming and more. So if you're looking for an electric pressure cooker that is safe, efficient and easy to use, then the Wellspire Instant Pot is the perfect choice for you.
Welcome to a buying guide for automatic cookers. Automatic cookers, also known as electric cookers or multi-cookers, can revolutionize your cooking experience by providing convenience and versatility. So let's explore the key factors to consider while purchasing an automatic cooker. First, let's discuss the types of automatic cookers available in the market. Here are some most common options. Rice cooker, designed primarily for cooking rice. These cookers offer various settings to ensure perfectly cooked rice every time. Slow cooker. Ideal for slow cooking meals, these cookers allows you to simmer soups, stews and other dishes over a longer period at low temperatures. Pressure cooker. These cookers use steam pressure to cook food quickly, making them suitable for busy households and for tenderizing tougher cuts of meat. Multifunction cooker. These versatile cookers combine multiple cooking methods such as pressure cooking, sauteing, steaming and more in a single appliance. Let's consider the features and functionalities that are important when selecting an automatic cooker. Cooking capacity. Determine the size of the cooker based on the number of people you typically cook for or the quantity of food you need to prepare. Alright, cookers usually come in various capacities such as 4 cups, 6 cups or larger than that. Programmable settings. Look for the cookers with programmable settings that allows you to adjust cooking time, temperature and pressure according to your recipes. Keep warm function. This is a really useful feature that automatically switches the cooker to warm mode once the cooking cycle is complete, keeping your food ready to serve without overcooking. Delay timer. Some advanced models offer a delay timer, enabling you to set a specific time for the cooker to start cooking, which is handy for meal planning. Non-stick inner pot. Opt for a cooker with a non-stick inner pot to prevent food from sticking and to facilitate easy cleaning. Safety features. Look for cookers with safety features such as pressure release valves, locking lids, and overheating protection to ensure safe and worry-free operation. By considering these factors, you will be well prepared to choose the perfect cooker for all your cooking requirements. So, happy cooking!